Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about the recently released Hollywood movie Avengers: The Age of Ultron. Let's get directly to the point. Avengers: The Age of Ultron is the best Marvel movie till date. You can make a strong argument for it being a best superhero movie of all the times. The plotline was very intriguing. It was far from the cliche superhero story. The script was funny as well as witty. Joss Whedon did a wonderful job. It's a shame that he won't be directing the next two Avenger films. The only upside is that he will be still there as the producer for Phase 3 of Marvel Cinematic Universe. This story really sets up a Phase 3 and one of the most anticipated movie of 2016, that is Captain America Civil War. My one regret in terms of story is that it's slightly longer, even though the entire film ran smoothly. I would have still liked to see more of the movie. I guess we'll have to wait for the DVD release to see some extra scenes. All the actors unsurprisingly played their roles superbly. Robert Downey Jr. again played the genius billionaire playboy, which we all love. This performance just adds to the argument that he is an Iron Man. Chris Evans, always being a sense of honesty and heart to the role of Captain America. Scarlett Johansson again showed us that Mel isn't the only one who can be badness that young boys look up to. Chris Hemsworth, Mark Ruffalo, Samuel L. Jackson, Jeremy Renner, Kobe Smulders, Paul Bettany, John Caddell and Anthony Mackie all reprised their roles wonderfully, and each of them added an extra dimension to their character. The newcomers Thomas, Andy, Elizabeth and Aaron were all great additions to the already extremely talented and lively cast. However, the newcomer that stole the whole show was clearly James Spader. His intimidating robotic voice really brought the character to life and added the sense of realism in an otherwise unbelievable character. He brought our future fears of an AI trying to wipe out humanity. Marvel is known for their memorable supervillains. In fact, they are known for opposite of it. But this villain is up there with Loki. Ultron is one of the more terrifying and surprisingly understandable villain in MCU. The cast really gel up as a unit and you'll be thinking that they are born together and grew up together after seeing this movie. The chemistry between everyone holds the film together. The action in the movie, let's just make it quick, was mind-blowing. For anyone who have seen their trailers, you will already know that the action showing was amazing. For any of you that think that they have shown too much or every action piece in the trailer of the movie, you couldn't be more wrong. When you watch the movie, you will notice the action scenes are orchestrated beautifully and that every character have upped their game since the last time you saw them on the screen, especially Captain America. This is a big budget movie and this is clearly shown from the stunts and the action sequences. The movie was shot all over the world this time, and that helps to show that these group of people don't really fight for one nation but for the whole world. The locations were beautiful and I will always prefer a real natural set over a green screen. This movie was a fantastic thread to watch and it's a really shame that this movie wasn't longer so that we could watch it and enjoy it for 20-30 minutes more. I had a high expectation coming out of theatre when I left. I was more than satisfied. The movie will be enjoyed by people of all the ages. It has cool action scenes for kids and the plot is more than interesting enough to hold the attention of adults. This movie delivers on all levels and can be considered as one of the best movie, if not the best movie of all the time. It's clearly the best movie for past years. But I found one bad thing in the movie, that Loki was not there in the movie, but still the movie was very good. So, PS stay after the movie ends for the treat for Phase 3. For more Hollywood reviews and previews, please do like and subscribe our channel.